Listen, everybody. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yep.
Shall I be the
Okay.
patient again? Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Hello. Come in, please. Are you Miss Smith?
Yeah. Hello,
Okay.
doctor.
Hi. Hi. Yeah. Does Harry know you're here?
Um. Yeah. Mm,
Yes,
yeah.
he's
Yeah.
aware.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
He's aware. Yeah.
Good. Good.
Mhm.
And you are his formal caregiver. You've registered as a caregiver, so we can speak about Harry.
Yeah.
How can I help you today?
Doctor, my dad, as you know him, Harry Smith. He's a patient of yours, of course, and you know what
Right.
condition he's in. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Uh, he fell at home 2 days ago.
Oh dear. Oh,
Yeah.
sorry. Okay.
Yeah. And now he has like some extensive bruising and pain on his
Oh,
right thigh.
oh, poor man.
And
Okay.
my sister was taking Panadol for his headache,
Right. I see.
and yeah, we gave him like some tablets, and he was okay. After then, the pain
Right.
was relieved,
Okay.
and and I just came here for filling the prescription for like Panadol Forte or something that
Right.
relieves my dad's pain.
I see. I see. Okay. Oh, sorry to hear that. Poor man.
Thank you.
Could you tell me what happened? How did he
Yeah,
fall?
he was in. I think it was in the bathroom, and
Right.
he slept and
Okay.
slipped. He slipped and he fell. That's what
Okay.
happened.
Oh dear.
Hmm.
Did he black out, or it was just a physical? He tripped.
No, no, he just slipped.
Okay.
The
Okay.
slippers were wet
Right.
and he slipped. Yeah.
Okay. And then what happened?
Oh, and when we got him back from the bathroom, he had an extensive bruising on his
Oh, no.
thigh,
Right.
and
Okay.
he had in such a great pain. He
I
was in
see.
a such great pain. Yeah,
Oh, poor man. Okay. So, this bruising is, you said it is in his leg, yes, in the thigh.
yeah, in the thigh. Hmm.
Is that right or left?
It's the right thigh, I think.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
Hmm.
is it how big is it? Is it bigger than the palm of my hand?
Yeah. It's
Is
like
it?
two
Oh,
palms of
right.
your
Okay.
palm. Yeah.
Okay. Oh
Hmm.
dear. And did he hit his head anywhere at all?
No,
Oh, that's good to know.
fortunately, yeah,
Good,
yeah.
good. And how is he now? Is he does he walk now? Does he walk to the toilet or?
No, we have to like carry him or
Oh
like
dear.
help him to go to the
Right.
bathroom or
Okay.
yeah, walk. Yeah.
Okay. And his speech is okay?
Yeah.
He doesn't have any facial drop or any change in in his face?
Like her his posture, you mean? No,
No, no,
no.
a facial droop, so he doesn't have
Facial, oh
expression.
no,
No.
no.
Okay.
Mm.
And he's got normal power in the hands and legs, is it?
Yeah, he can just he can't walk because of the pain. Otherwise
Right.
he's well. Yeah.
Okay, he's well. It's good to know. Okay, and I mean this bruise, is it getting any bigger?
Yeah, the first day it was like a bit smaller, but today it's
Okay.
larger. Yeah.
Oh, I see. I see. And is it pulsating? Does it have a pulse?
Oh, I haven't checked that, doctor.
All right. And how about the pulses in the leg? Are the pulses okay?
Oh, I'm not a doctor. No,
Oh, right.
I
Yeah,
can't check the
obviously,
pulses.
of
Yeah,
course, of
yeah.
course. It's just, we need to check his consciousness and his
Oh,
pulses and
yeah.
everything,
Mm-hmm.
And
Yeah.
have you checked his blood pressure?
Yeah. It's because of his heart problem, we have a
Right.
device at home, so
Good.
we take his blood pressure like
Uh,
every day. Yeah.
okay. And was his blood pressure okay?
No, it was a bit high. It was like 50 and over 850
I
over
see.
80.
Right.
Yeah.
And does he have any drop in the blood pressure when he stands up?
Yeah, Dexter, he has.
Have you checked his standing blood pressure?
No, just he says that he feels dizzy.
He
So
feels
I
dizzy.
guess, yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
Yeah, you see, I think I really need to come and have a look at him, don't you? It's yeah. I think you know this is the pain in the leg is just a warning sign. It's telling us that there's something wrong, and obviously, as you said, you're not a doctor, so you can't actually tell me what exactly is happening in the leg area.
Yeah.
And I think, yeah, the best thing to do, I think, for his safety, I need to come and have a look at him. So why not? I give him a call now and ask for his permission, and then I make a priority and I come and see him as soon as possible. And yeah, we don't want him to be in pain either. So I think we need to give him a prescription anyway. But let's make sure he is well in himself first. Is that all right?
But Dexter, I don't, I don't realize why don't you like prescribe him any Panadeine? Because he felt okay with that. He was right. He was all
Right.
right.
Yes, absolutely. I mean, it's you know, it's not a good idea to give other people's medicine to dad anyway because of the warfarin. You know, it's a blood thinner and it can cause extensive bleeding.
Oh,
But in
okay.
any case, we cannot predict how the one tablet is going to work on your
Mm-hmm.
father. So that and basically, pain is a warning sign. It's telling us there's something wrong, and we need to make sure he's safe and he's well. And after that, then obviously we can think about any painkillers. Is that all right?
Mm-hmm. I suppose so. So you're gonna go come and visit him
That's
at
right.
home.
I'll just
Mm-hmm.
go give him a call now, and then I'll come and see him.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Dexter. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Is there anything else?
No, thank you, Dexter.
Okay. Great. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So what happened?
It was great.
You gathered a lot of
Uh,
information.
uh, what does gathering information do? Uh, what do you think? Why do you think this gathering information helped?
I think you asked why the information gathering is important, yeah?
Yes.
I think it's one of the main parts of the conversation. We cannot go to other parts before gathering information, enough information of the patient.
Okay. So what did I do? And why it may, I mean, I just increased my information gathering, but it actually affected the other parts as well.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. What do you think, others? What did I do?
The information gathering made all these tasks go very smoothly and easier. So you didn't give give a chance to the patient to become angry or somehow resist you.
Right. Okay. So basically, what I did was that first of all, I showed that I try to connect with the clients. Okay,
Yeah.
I
Mm-hmm.
gave them the impression that I'm actually caring very much, and it's very important. I'm taking it very serious. And number two, I made an assessment, and at some point, there are things that the patient or the client wouldn't know. And she said, well, I'm not a doctor. I don't know. And that means that this is something we need to know. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And the third thing I did, I said, look, pain is a warning sign. So we need to find out the reason for the pain, not just to mask it. Okay.
Yeah. Mhm.
So this is fact. Basically, this clarified that the problem is not just the pain. The problem is something else. So we need to find out why he had a fall, and if he has developed any serious complications. Okay. So basically, what I did, I mean, the framework in my mind was the ethical framework. What is that? What is the ethical principles?
You first asked me if I'm her daughter
Former
and
caregiver.
caregiver, yeah.
Former
Okay.
caregiver.
And so you would then discuss the patient's
If the
information
patient
with
know
her.
that
Yeah,
the daughter is there, is ever
aware,
Okay.
yeah.
of the daughter.
So that was the confidentiality bit. Okay.
Mhm.
But it's not one of the ethical principles, but it is legal principles. It is legality. But we have four ethical principles. What are they?
Ethical principles.
Autonomy.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
What is that? What does autonomy?
Beneficence,
Autonomy is what
is
patient
the
wants.
Justice.
Okay. Uh, okay. So
The right of the patient
Control.
to, yeah, the right of
Autonomy
the
means
patient to control over his whole,
Mhm.
like, what he wants.
yeah. So we respect patient's wishes,
Yeah.
not what he wants. Uh, wishes. Beneficence.
Doing
Do
good.
what is in patient's best interest. Okay. Uh, so do no harm. Obviously, do not do anything. Do not make the patient suffer any harm. And fairness and justice. Be fair to the community as the patient. Okay. So basically, now this is the framework I was thinking. I was thinking, regardless of what the patient or what the client wants, this is what this is my responsibility. Okay. Now, is my responsibility sitting here and prescribing something, or is it making
No.
sure that he is safe?
making sure that
Decision
he's
box.
safe.
Good.
Safe. Yeah.
Okay. So when somebody asks you, don't just say no, I can't give it to you. Just say, okay, let's see. Just don't answer it. Just do your own job. Okay. So what I did was I just asked my questions, regardless of what she wants, because maybe she doesn't know what the patient needs. Okay. So so I made an assessment based on my own principles, based on my responsibility. And then you could say, I mean, when you were explaining, you could say, okay, look, I understand you. I understand why you're asking for a painkiller, and I respect that. But what I need to do, I need to make sure that Harry is not at any risk.
Yeah. Yeah.
His safety is my priority.
Priority. Yeah.
Exactly.
Okay, so that would be the reason that I need to come and see him, and the reason that I cannot prescribe. Okay, okay, good. Okay, so now we learned about ethical principles, and this is a very a good way of dealing with consultations where you have a disagreement with a patient or with your client. So, as long as you're thinking in this framework and you're explaining to the patient, then the patient needs to understand. that this is your responsibility. Okay.
Okay.